Okay, so today I'm going to explain how to set up a doodle poll. So first you're going to go to doodle.com, and then you don't need to sign up or anything. It lets you do it for free. So you're going to create a doodle. And then you're going to enter a title. I'm going to do study group. Then you're going to add a location. We can do the ULL library. Continue. So you can do monthly, weekly, or text. Not really sure. I'm going to do month. So you're going to pick a couple dates, whatever works for you. Make sure that as a creator you pick dates that work for you. Then you can pick times. You can add a time. Let's do 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. You can add more times if you'd like. You can even do different times for every date because it automatically does the same time for every date. So we're going to go continue once we get everything we want. This part is optional. This will let participants indicate if any options are not ideal for them. This can limit them to the number of votes per person. Oh, that one's the number of votes per person. This one's first come, first served, so once the slots are filled, it's no longer available. And then this one you can do a anonymous vote, so nobody will know who it is. Only the person who makes it can see the results. So we're going to continue. You want to make sure you have your full name, and then your email address, and then you press finish. And then it'll come up with the link to it, so you're going to copy link. Then you're going to go to the email, and then you're going to paste it into the email. And let everyone know, like, this is for us to be able to get together and study. And then you can send it to whoever you like. And that's it.